Next 13th question. The circle with the center 0, 4 and passing through the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis is dash. The circle with the center 0, 4 and passing through the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis dash. From the given center of the circle is equal to 0, 4. That means h, k is 0, 4. Center of the circle is given. That means h, k is equal to 0, 4. And the circle passes through projection of 2, 4 on x-axis. Say this is x and y axis. Suppose the point P is 2, 4. What is the projection of P on x-axis? The projection of P on x-axis is nothing but 2, 0. On x-axis y coordinate is 0. That means the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis is 2, 0. So the circle passes through the point 2, 0. One of the point on the circle is 2, 0. If center is given, in this case the center is given and one of the point on the circle is given. That means r is equal to distance between center to this point. Say this value is a. So radius r is equal to c. So the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That means x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. R is nothing but ca. Distance between c and a. Find the value. Root over 4 plus 16, root 20. Radius is root 20. Substitute that ones. Okay. Next. 14th. Very important model. 14 and 15 are very important models. The shortest distance from minus 2, 14 to the shortest distance from minus 2, 14 to any point on the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. The given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. It is the equation of the circle. Compare with the standard form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 12. Center of the circle C is equal to minus g, minus f. That means 3, 2. Radius of the circle is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. That is equal to root over 9 plus 4 plus 12. Root 25 means 5. Center of the given circle is 3, 2 and radius is 5. Now we find the shortest distance from the given point to any point on the circle. Already we discussed about the point. Suppose P x1 y1 is any point in the plane containing the circle, then the shortest distance between P to any point on the circle is nothing but Cp minus R or mod Cp minus R. The shortest distance from P to any point on the circle is equal to Cp minus R. Here C is 3, 2. The given point P is equal to, what is the value of P is equal to minus 9, 7. Therefore, shortest distance is equal to Cp minus R. C is 3, 2. P is minus 9, 7. Distance between the 2 points is minus 9 minus 3 makes minus 12 whole square 144. Okay, plus 25 minus R means 5. 144 plus 20 169. That means 13 minus 5. That is equal to 8. The shortest distance from P to any point on the circle is equal to 8. It is the answer. In some cases, for getting the shortest distance, what is the point on the circle? He asked in this way. Find the point on the circle which is nearer to the point P. For getting the nearest point on the circle from P to the point on the circle, say this value is Q. This Q divides the line segment CP in the ratio of R is to CP minus R. In the ratio of R is to CP minus R. For getting the point on the circle which is nearer to the given point, we divide the line segment CP in the ratio of R is to CP minus R. Here R is equal to 5, CP minus R is equal to 8. So we find this point by using the ratio section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here C is the center of the circle 3, 2. It is x1 by 1. It is P is the point P is minus 9, 7. It is x2 by 2. By using section formula, we find the Q. Okay. Next, very important model. Shortest distance is Cp minus R. For getting the point, we divide the line segment CP in the ratio of R is to Cp minus R. Okay. Next, the point on the circle. Next problem. The point on the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0, which is maximum distance from the point minus 9 comma 7. Okay. Maximum distance from the point minus 9 comma 7. Next 15, the point on the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0, which is maximum distance from the point minus 9 comma 7. Maximum distance from the point minus 9 comma 7 is dash. In previous case we find the shortest distance. In this case we find the greatest distance or longest distance. What is the longest distance? If circle S is equal to 0 is the given circle, C is the center of the circle, P is any point in the circle, any point in the region containing the circle, then the greatest distance or longest distance is equal to CP plus R. CP plus R. It is the distance. For getting the point on the circle, extend the line CP. It cuts the circle at R. This R is the required point. This R divides the line segment CP in the ratio of R is to CP plus R externally. In the ratio of R is to CP plus R externally. The greatest distance is equal to CP plus R. For getting the point, we divide the line segment CP in the ratio of R is to CP plus R externally. Okay. From the given, the circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. G is equal to minus 3, F is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 2. Center of the circle is equal to minus G comma minus F means 3 comma minus 2. Radius of the circle is equal to root over G square plus F square minus C means 9 plus 4 minus of minus plus 2. That is equal to root 15. Okay. Root 15. Root over G square plus F square minus C. 9 plus 4 plus 2. Okay. Root 15. Radius of the circle is equal to root 15. Next. Maximum distance is equal to CP plus R. CP, what is the value of CP? P is equal to minus 9 comma 7. The point P is minus 9 comma 7. What is the value of CP? CP is equal to distance between C and P means minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 whole square means 144. 9 plus 2 means 9 whole square means 81. That is equal to root over 5 225. That means 15. The value of CP is 15. The value of CP is 15. The maximum distance is equal to CP plus R means 15 plus root 15. 15 plus root 15. Okay. Now, for getting the required point, the line segment CP is divided in the ratio of R is to CP plus R external. R means ratio is equal to R is to CP plus R. R is equal to root 15. CP plus R is equal to 15 plus root 15. The common term is root 15. Root 15 plus 1. Root 15 cancel. 1 is to root 15 plus 1. M is to N is equal to 1 is to root 15 plus 1. Okay. So, C is equal to 3 comma minus 2. It is x1 y1. P is equal to minus 9 comma 7. It is x2 y2. Divide the line segment CP in the ratio of mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n for getting the required point. M is equal to 1, n is equal to root 5 plus 1. Okay. Next. 16th. The range of the value of R for which the point minus 5 plus R by root 2 comma minus 3 plus R by root 2 is an interior point of the major segment of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 cut off by the line x plus y is equal to 2 is dash. Once again, the range of the value of small r for which the point minus 5 plus R by root 2 comma minus 3 plus R by root 2 is an interior point of major segment segment of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16, cut off by the line x plus y is equal to. Here the circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 16. That means minus 16 is equal to 0. Say this value is s. The equation of the circle is denoted by s is equal to 0. Say this value is s. What is the value of g? G is equal to 0. X coefficient is 0. Y coefficient is 0. C is equal to minus 16. So center of the circle is equal to 0, 0. Or compare with x square plus y square is equal to r square. We get center 0, 0 and radius directly. Okay. Center is 0, 0 and radius is equal to root of g square plus f square c minus c means 4. Center of the circle is 0, 0 and radius is 4. Okay. Next. The range of the value of r for which the point is interior of the major segment of the circle. Suppose the circle is in this way. The circle is in this way. This is the circle s is equal to 0 and the line is this way. This is the line L is equal to 0. That means x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. The line cuts the circle into two unequal parts. This part is said to be major segment. This part is said to be minor segment. Center lies on the major segment. Okay. Here the given point, say the given point P. P is equal to minus 5 plus r by root 2 comma minus 3 plus r by root 2. This point lies in the major segment. This point lies in major segment. Okay. What is the range of P? In this case, please observe this point. This point P must be lies inside of the circle. That means S11 less than 0. P lies in major segment or minor segment. In both of the cases, that point P lies inside of the circle. That means S11 less than 0. S11 less than 0 means lies in major or minor. But P must be lies on the major segment. That means major segment contains the center C. That means both the center and P lies on the same side of the line. That means the point C comma P lies on the same side of the line. If the point P x1 y1 and the point Q x2 y2 lies on the same side of the line, what are the conditions? L11 and L22 having same sides. L11 comma L22 having same sides. If the 2 points lies on either side of the line, the conditions are L11 comma L22 having opposite sides. L11 comma L22 having opposite sides. Here the C comma P lies in the major segment means these 2 points lies on the same side of the line L. That means L11 comma L22 having same sides. By using these two conditions, we find the range of R. Okay. From the given, the equation of the circle is S. S is equal to x square plus y square minus 16 is equal to 0. The point P is that value. Center of the circle is equal to 0, 0. Here P lies inside of the circle. That means S11 less than 0. S11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 16 less than 0. What is x1? Minus 5 plus r by root 2 whole square plus what is the value of y1? Minus 3 plus r by root 2 whole square minus 16 less than 0. Okay, a minus b whole square. That means 25 plus r square by 2 minus 10r by root 2 plus 9 plus r square by 2 minus 6r by root 2 minus 16 less than 0. R square by 2 plus r square by 2 means r square. Minus 10r by root 2 minus 6r by root 2 means minus 16r by root 2. Okay. Plus 25 plus 9 minus 16. That means 25 minus 16 means 9 plus 9, 18 less than 0. 18 less than 0. 18 less than 0. That means r square, that implies r square minus 16r by root 2 means 8 root 2r plus 18 less than 0. Okay, r square minus 8 root 2r plus 18 less than 0. If x minus alpha and x minus beta less than 0, what is the range of x? X belongs to alpha to beta. First we find the roots of the equation r square minus 8 root 2r plus 18 is equal to 0 by using minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That means here r is equal to 8 root 2 plus or minus root over b square means 64 into 2 means 128 minus 4ac means 4 into 1 into 18. 4 into 1 into 18, 72 by 2 into 1. That means 8 root 2 plus or minus 128 minus 72. 128 minus 72 means 6. Okay, next 56. This value is plus or minus root 56 by 2. That is equal to 4 root 2 plus or minus root 56 means 4 into 1 14. Okay, 2 root 14. That means 2 root 14. Okay, this value is finally 4 root 2 plus 2 root 14, 8 root 2 plus or minus 2 root 14 by 2. That is equal to 4 root 2 plus or minus root 14. The roots are 4 root 2 minus root 14, comma 4 root 2 plus root 14. That means the value of x lies in the interval. The value of x is nothing but r. R belongs to 4 root 2 minus root 14 to 4 root 2 plus root 14. It is the range of r in first case. Okay, next. It is the first case. Find the value of r by using minus b plus or minus root r b square minus 4ac by 2a. If x minus alpha and x minus beta less than 0, what is the range of x? X belongs to alpha to beta. If r minus alpha and r minus beta less than 0, r belongs to alpha to beta. So, r belongs to 4 root 2 minus root 14 to 4 root 2 plus root 14. In the second case, c comma p lies on the same side. C comma p lies on the same side of the line. Here line L is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Center of the circle is equal to 0 comma 0. L suffix 0 0 means minus 2. That means negative. So L suffix p is also negative. L suffix p is also negative. L suffix p means the line is, what is the line? The line equation is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means minus 5 plus r by root 2 minus 3 plus r by root 2 minus 2 less than 0. Okay, that implies minus 8 plus 2r by root 2 minus 5, okay, minus 3 minus 2. Sorry, finally we get minus 5 minus 3 minus 2, that means minus 10. Minus 10 plus 2r by root 2 less than 0. Okay, root 2 here cancels root 2 times. That means root 2r is less than 10. R is less than 10 by root 2. 10 by root 2. It is equation number 2. By drawing the number line from 1 and 2, we find the solution of, that means range of r. Already r belongs to, in a previous case, r belongs to particular value. By drawing the number line 1 and 2, we get the range of r. Find the common solution for the two inequalities 1 and 2. That common solution is said to be the range of r. Okay,